In a quaint town, Dr. Alexander Turner, a passionate botanist, devoted his days to experimenting on plants in his garden. His wife, Emily, initially supportive, began to grapple with psychological issues as the experiments grew more complex. Amid the verdant foliage, the Turners' children, Anna and Ethan, led contrasting lives. Anna, innocent and pretty, reveled in the beauty of nature, while Ethan, driven by intellect, aspired to follow in his father's scientific footsteps. As Dr. Turner's experiments progressed, Emily's mental health deteriorated. Anna, sensing her mother's struggle, became a comforting presence, while Ethan delved into scientific theories to understand and assist. Despite the family's challenges, Ethan and Anna embraced their father's scientific legacy. Together, they collaborated on groundbreaking inventions, from environmentally sustainable solutions to medical breakthroughs. Their tireless efforts earned them prestigious Nobel Prizes, bringing both recognition and pride to the Turner family. Throughout their journey, Anna's innocence and Ethan's brilliance complemented each other, creating a harmonious blend that transformed adversity into triumph. The Turner family's legacy became a testament to the transformative power of love, resilience, and the pursuit of knowledge.